See, yeah, there are so many ways. Okay, let me check once again. All right. See, exact of this, expecting a single one, then I'm giving more than one. F4. Then it will show us the true and falses wherever it finds the exact match of name 2. It is in the second position. I will show you two methods. This is the one method which I am showing you. I will show you the two methods. See, F9, again I'm showing name 2 finds here in second position. Wherever it finds the true, it is in the second position. It is in second position. But he said you are not supposed to use match, VLOOKUP and index. But I'm not using match, index and VLOOKUP. I'm using only the sum product, and I'll show you the other function also. Sum product of this, and I will multiply with this 8. True will multiply with that number, so it will get that number. Here you can find, see, F9, 40. So name 2 is 40. Okay, this is the one method which I am showing you without using index, match and VLOOKUP. I am not using index and match and VLOOKUP. I am using only the sum product with exact function. Enter. If I go to name 1, 87. If I go to name 3, 29. You can see over here. Now, I will show you the another method. I'll move aside here. I'll show you another method, the same procedure, but I will use the lookup function, not VLOOKUP, lookup function. Lookup of this. Now you tell me how to do this one. It is showing the true. Now you tell me, Gautam, let's try how you'll do. Let me know how you'll do. I did 50%. Now you tell me the 50%, remaining 50%.
Yes, sir. I'm thinking about is exact will only gives us the result of true and false, but we have to convert it into ones and zeros. So
Yes, ones and no, listen. Ones and zeros means you can do like this. It's not a problem. Multiply with 1. But for lookup, it will look up the 0, but not the 1.
Sir,
so we want the 1. So how you'll do? Yes, you are right. You have to convert into ones and zeros. Okay. But zeros, lookup will look up only the zeros, but not the ones. So how you'll do that one? Any mathematical operator like this. Why am I taking extra brackets? No need of extra brackets. F9. So here is the 1 and remaining are divisible by 0 errors. 1 divided by false. 1 divided by 0 is divisible by 0 error. Now simply you can use like this. Look up and keep a maximum number which shall will allow comma, and the result vector will be this thing. If I'll do directly, it will give the error. I mean, it will give the wrong answer, like F2. What I'll do here, the same method, but it will give the wrong answer. Look up, I'll maintain true. Exact of this thing, comma, I will take like this. No, not like this. Here only we have to check it. Sorry. Then like this. And the result vector will be this one. See, it's not a sorted one. If it is not sorted, you have to use like this. 1 divided by. It's giving the right answer. F2. Now I'll change it to name 3, last one. Sorry, I'll go name 3, then name 1. Have you observed? It is a wrong answer.
Yes, sir.
Because it's not a sorted one. If it is sorted, you can use this function. If it is not sorted, you have to use this function. Did you got it?
Sir, 9.9 E plus
Yes.
307.
Everyone is asking this thing only. I will tell you one thing. Why 9.9e? In Excel, you can type 2 also here. It will work. The greater than 2 also it will work. You have to maintain the greatest number which is not available here, which is greater than this 1. So you have to type at 2 over here. But we don't know in which position it was there. It may be 1, it may be 10, it may be 100, it may be 1000. So what I am doing here,
Sir,
instead of
in that
type,
case, we can also add max of that thing plus 1. So it will give 1 plus 1 value, right?
where can you repeat once again?
I'm saying instead of 2, maximum of that thing. So it can be always plus 1 value greater than the.
No, it will not work. I got your point, but it will not work. You want to say max if, right?
I'm saying, sir, yeah, maximum of that arrays, most of them are divided in arrays, and 1 is the one. It will pick up the 1 and add plus 1 value, or whatever it is.
Like this you are going to say. Right?
Yes, sir.
No, it will not work. Because you are not finding the maximum number.
Okay, sir.
Simple thing. You are not finding the maximum number. If you are finding the maximum, we are finding only the age which is case sensitive. We are not finding the maximum number. Okay, if it is a maximum, we can use that one. That's not a big issue. But we are not finding the maximum. We are finding the case sensitive value.
Okay, sir.
For that reason, we have used this one. Without using VLOOKUP index match. And Gautam, why don't you try a conditional format so that each and every thing should highlight how you'll do?
Each and everything.
Can you please loud?
I didn't understand what you're asking.
And RP came, RP. RP, I don't know your name. Can you suggest or can you give me any advice how to do conditional format for this?
Conditional format. Sir, we can
What
use
of,
exact or
yes,
match.
yes. Okay, right. Exact of what? Exact of what?
G, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir.
And this one. This one only you are going to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, exactly. But I want to highlight these 2 lines. So what I have to do? Not only this, I want to highlight this one also. The age also. As per name, it should highlight age also.
Sir, in that case, we will select the both
Simply
columns.
lock the column. That's it. Don't make it very big complex. Just
Okay.
lock the column. See what will happen. Control Enter. We'll drag this formula. So whenever I'll type 2F2, see it is seeing this one. This one only. Are you able to see the colored cells?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these two things. See, if I go here, it will check like this only. Because here we are having two column data, so I am taking two column data. Simply, what I meant to say means, first of all, what you will do, just copy this one. If you want to highlight these two things, highlight this, Control C, come to here, Control V, delete. Because we don't know how many columns and how many rows are there. For that reason, just copy the data and paste over there and delete the data. And use the formula exact of this column lock, comma, because it should check only the row wise but not the column wise. Here I am freezing both column and a row. Now all the data is highlighted. Just I will use Control Enter to populate the highlighted cells. Got it, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Just use F2, copy this. I think you are not able to see the conditional format pop-up window. Alt HLN. I think you will not able to see that one. I don't know why. What is the problem with this one? Control V. Format. Just I copied the formula over there. I'm doing the formatted one. And whichever do you want to make a color, you can make it. Well, with the purple font will be the bold, and this will be the white. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts, Gautam?
No, sir. No.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
I will show you with VLOOKUP also. You tell me how to do with VLOOKUP. They are okay. They are asking that don't use VLOOKUP, but I am asking how to do with VLOOKUP.
I will say, since this case sensitive, we will combine VLOOKUP with exact.
VLOOKUP with
Exact.
okay, can you repeat once again, Raul?
Sir, I am saying, since it is case sensitive, we will combine VLOOKUP with exact.
VLOOKUP with exact. How you are? That's what I'm asking. How you will combine? That's what I'm asking. Simply give me some idea. That's it. First of all, as you said, first of all, I'll do like this only. Okay, done. This one. Okay, in this. Right. F9. Okay, right. Now tell me how you'll do. VLOOKUP with what? VLOOKUP with what?
VLOOKUP, I will say VLOOKUP 1. Sir, can it work out? VLOOKUP 1, comma, exact. I think it will not give, sir.
No, it will be 90% correct.
But
I'm
sir,
telling now 90% is correct.
So, but I'm not
Yes.
going to get return value.
See, you have to use choose function here. 1, 2, and I'm making this as a numbers by using a double negative. What will happen if I type negative? Let me check. F9C -1. So you have to convert into numbers by using double negative. And the second value will be this one, comma. And we need the second one, not the first one. Close the choose, comma 2, comma 0. Why? What happened? Why it's wrong? Is it really a wrong or I did any mistake?
I think instead of comma between them, I think we should multiply, sir.
No, in choose it won't be. We are not using the sum product to multiply.
Yes, sir. Right, right.
So here is the array function. So you have to use control shift and enter.
Okay.
Instead of doing this much big thing, what I'll do, I'll make it true, simply true, and I'll remove this double negative from here. Then also it will work. So why are you making this complex like we look up to? So this is the better thing.
Okay, sir.
Simply look up the biggest number from this lookup array and extract the result vector. That's it.
Okay.
It will pick up wherever it finds the one, it will pick up that number. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Any
Understood.
doubts? Any doubts? Let me know, Gautam and RP.
No, sir. No. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gautam. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.